I'm often asked, do I have to fill out an accident report? Number one, usually company rules require you to fill out an accident report, so the answer is yes. But in some circumstances, you'll leave home not thinking you're injured, or you're encouraged by the captain on the vessel or someone associated with the company that, hey, wait and see how it feels. But at any event, you always want to make sure you fill out the accident report. Now, what's important when it comes to the accident report? Number one, succinct, explain exactly what happened. Focus on what could have prevented your accident. In other words, did a coworker do something that he or she shouldn't have done that caused your accident or contributed to cause your accident? Was there an unsafe condition? For instance, was there a frayed wire, for example, that caused you to be injured? And was there any specific equipment either on the vessel or the vessel itself that caused you to be injured? One example of that, for instance, is non-skid paint on the deck of either barge or the vessel, causing you to slip and fall in the walkway and injure your back, your knee, whatever it is. That is something that you want to specifically reference when you're filling out your accident report. Because what happens is, if you don't specifically reference the negligence or what someone did wrong, later they'll say, well, you didn't put it on your accident report. So you want to make sure you do that. If for some reason you've already filled out an accident report and you weren't that specific, you need to make sure that at your first doctor's appointment or appointments that you explain to the doctor what happened and relate to the doctor why it happened, why it was someone else's fault as opposed to yours. So at least there is evidence of the truth and how you got hurt.